The M2 Bradley Infantry Fighting Vehicle, IFV, fulfilled a U.S. Army requirement that began in the 1960s, calling for an amphibious mechanized direct combat support vehicle to operate alongside the M113 Armored Personnel Carrier, APC. This need emerged directly from the arrival of the Soviet BMP series of amphibious vehicles appearing in 1966, which dutifully combined mobility, firepower, and protection for a complete infantry squad. The result of the American initiative became the M2 Bradley, remains a critical component of American land forces and is fully air transportable by the Lockheed C-5 Galaxy, previously the Lockheed C-141 Starlifter. The M2 Bradley is named after World War II era General Omar Bradley. Bradley walk around. The standard M2 Bradley features a crew of 3, driver, commander, and gunner, and can seat 7, originally 6, combat-ready infantry under protection when serving in a frontline capacity. A wheel and track system allows for strong cross-country qualities, and power to the drive is through the engine seated at the front right of the hull, the driver and front left. The Bradley is armed with the ATK Gun Systems Company M245 Series 25mm cannon in a 2-man powered turret, offset to the right from center line, which also sports a 7.62mm coaxial machine gun as an anti-infantry defense measure. The 25mm gun can engage all manner of light armored targets, including enemy personnel carriers and infantry support vehicles, as well as fortified positions. Gulf War experience proved the cannon capable of defeating MBT armor. Up to 900 projectiles of 25mm ammunition are carried, as well as 2,200 by 7.62mm ammunition. The vehicle further supports the launching of the Hughes TOW anti-tank guided missile, ATGM, weapon which allows the Bradley to engage enemy heavier armor at range. 7 TOW missiles are carried aboard. Smoke grenade discharges allow the crew to screen their own movements. Firing ports allow the occupants within to engage enemy infantry through their personal weapons as needed. NBC, nuclear, biological, chemical, protection is standard. A powered door, lowered to create an integral ramp, is fitted to the rear of the hull for quick disembarking and embarking of passengers. A smaller rectangular door is used when safety is a greater priority. Bradley armor is made up of an aluminum and spaced laminate protection scheme, which is reportedly sufficient against 30mm armor-piercing ammunition and rocket-propelled grenades, when fielded with explosive reactive armor, ERA, blocks. Side skirt armor protects the critical track components. Bradley power. The M2 is powered by a Cummins VTA 903T 8-cylinder diesel-fueled engine developing 600 horsepower.